Blizzard's Icy Adventure by Teddy Snuggletail for Comfy Corner Time. Many, many moons ago, on a frosty tundra far, far away, there was a little penguin named Blizzard. Blizzard was a plucky little soul. Raised by his nanny Flurry, he had had the most wonderful childhood. She was a wise and gentle penguin. Now she was getting on in years and was starting to feel the cold. Blizzard wanted to surprise her with the cosiest Christmas present he could possibly find. So he set off to find the snow geese. He trudged through the ice and snow. The wind was blowing in his face. His little eyes blinked the snow away so he could see the way forward. He crossed the bay and finally arrived at the snow geese plateau. When they heard of Blizzard's request for feathers for his dear old nanny, they were only too pleased to help. Such a nice little penguin was Blizzard. They filled up a lovely red box full of feathers and tied it up neat with a golden bow. After many thank yous and hugs, Blizzard was on his way back home. He walked out on the ice sheets to cross the bay. The wind was blowing hard and he had to hold on tight to the box in case it blew away. Then he heard a crunch and a crack. He turned around to see a big gap opening up in the ice sheet. Before long he found himself on an icy island, drifting helplessly away from shore. Poor Blizzard! He considered swimming, but then the beautiful feather for Nanny Flurry would be ruined. What was he to do? The longer he thought, the further he drifted. Downhearted and sad, he sat down. Then he realised he was too far from shore to swim and may never see his beautiful Nanny Flurry again. Oh, how he cried! Blizzard heard a splish, splash, and then a spout of water shot up into the air and came down on him, shocking him out of his sob. It was Bella Beluga. "Hey, Blizzard, what you up to?" she said, resting her nose on the sheet by his feet. "Oh, Bella, I'm lost and I can't swim home," he cried, hugging his box of feathers close. Bella was concerned for her little pal, so decided she was going to push the ice island to shore, with Blizzard on it. She huffed, and she puffed, and she pushed, but the island would not budge in the direction she wanted it to. The wind was just too strong. Oh dear! Then she offered to carry the box of feathers to shore for Blizzard, and he could swim behind her. That seemed like a fantastic idea. Blizzard held out the box for Bella to take in her mouth, but the box was too big, and she really needed to put her head under the water. All seemed hopeless. Then Bella had an idea. If I can't carry the box myself and I can't push the island, you definitely need to stay on an island to keep the box dry. "Yes, Bella," said Blizzard. "I'm never going to get back to shore." "Don't be silly, Blizzard. I too can play island." Bella pulled up close to the ledge and beckoned Blizzard to hop on. "Keep your balance," she said, moving slowly forward so as not to rock too much. Bella and Blizzard made steady progress, and what a sight they made! Bella was able to take him right to the rocky snow-covered shoreline. He jumped off, gave her a big kiss on the nose, and started waddling at top speed back to the nesting grounds. It was late by the time he arrived home. It had been a long day, and he couldn't wait to climb into his pyjamas and get into bed. Before he did, though, he had to give his special present to Nanny Flurry. She was waiting for him with a big smile and a cup of hot cocoa. "Where have you been, my little Blizzard? I was worried for you." She hugged him tight. Blizzard shouted, "Surprise!" and handed Nanny Flurry her very special present. "Oh, Blizzard, my dear little adventurer, this has got to be the most thoughtful present I have ever received." That night, Nanny Flurry slept soundly. She was the most comfortable she had been since she herself was a little fledgling. The warm, soft, downy feathers were heavenly. With the help of the snow geese, Bella Beluga, and a good dollop of grit and determination, Blizzard had delivered his precious gift. Nanny Flurry smiled. A precious gift from a precious gift. It simply doesn't get any better.